Is Bernhard Brodbeck, CEO and founder of WinJi. And WinJi is actually the company focusing to improve and win more energy out of renewable assets. WinJi is an abbreviation, and it's a play as well. It's a word play as well. So there is win, you know. In there is the G in there from China, which stands for energy. And then there is, of course, also like the Da Vinci in there, you know, that we are intelligent and the way we work on the renewable challenges in a genius way. I studied mechanical engineering at ETH. Always focusing on energy production, not only renewables, but sustainable. And about 15 years ago, I started my more and more activities around the renewables, you know, be it in asking how renewables will change the merit order of how the prices on the spot market will be influenced, and of course also the question, how can we scale it up to utility like sizes. Is actually improving the performance of wind and solar assets. So it's not only limited on wind. With our on artificial intelligence-based algorithms, which we develop in-house and which we have patented as well. We are able to, in the first place, measure the production efficiency of wind and solar farms, understand where the performance drivers are and which are relevant to drive the production. And based on that, we then calculate the recommendation to actively improve power production. These days, we do have the tools and the methods available to learn from the past. So this is really applied machine learning. We learn from past data at high resolution, under which exact conditions of weather conditions, machine parameters and output, we have achieved which efficiencies. And out of this high granular data cube, we then derive recommendations for improved set points on an individual wind turbine level to improve actual output. First of all, we do have a lot of data available, and we are not yet making enough use of this data, which is available. So that's kind of the good news, right? And then the not so good news, or you know, a perspective into the future is, I'm very keen to include additional data, be it grid data, you know, regularly, so to better understand also the remuneration scheme, but then also implement additional data. So what we are thinking about is, for example, data which allows us to come up with blade health information, which of course is very relevant because a wind turbine is in the end an aerodynamic machine. The industry will make a huge move into digitization. A lot more data will be available, easier available, and we, you know, from our side, we have the tools and we have the knowledge to combine this data. You need data. You need a lot of data to learn from the past. You need to train a machine learning algorithm, so you need a lot of data, and you need some other understanding of the data, what's in there, so that you can start training new algorithms.